Hey guys, glad to have you back again. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what? We just clocked 1,000 subscribers and I'm so excited. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for keeping me encouraged. I'm so excited and I love you all, my 1K plus family. I love you all. And I will be showing you how to do smoky eyes. So if this is your first time pressing this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first to see it. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back again to my video. So let's hop into the video. So I've drawn my brows and I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow, which is a smoky eye. So I'm giving my eyelid a base by prepping it with concealer with my brush, my blending brush. And I'm taking this orange eyeshadow. I already put some before, so I remember that I had to show you the color I used. So this is it, same color. I'm just patting it, and now I'm taking it. I'm taking the blue eyeshadow. You can see the three colors I'm mixing just to make the smoky eye pop out. So I'm using my crease brush and I'm just dabbing it into my model's lid, into my model's lid, just to maintain the intensity of the eyeshadow. So I'm dabbing it until I get my preferred intensity or color intensity. So here I'm taking my eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm blending it out to avoid any obvious demarcations, just to create a smooth blend. So now I'm taking in, you can see I used a bronzer to improvise, and now I'm just going to add some blue again to it, just for extra pop. You know what I mean? You get what I mean? So I'm just adding for extra pop. Yes, I also blended it into towards the inner corners of my model's eyes, just to create a transition. And now I'm adding my this color to create a darker shade at the outer corners of the eyes. I'm using my smudge brush, and I'm just patting it to maintain the intensity, and I pat it in a V-shaped manner. Then I'm taking my blending brush and I blended it out. So here I applied my blue glitters with my glitter glue. I'll be dropping all the names of the makeup items and the makeup cosmetics I used in the description. So here I am taking my white eyeliner and I'm adding it under the eyelid. I'm putting it under the eyelid, and here is the final look. Smoky. Whew. So do well to like this video if you enjoyed, or if you learned something. Do well to leave a comment if you've tried it out, and do well to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Stay tuned for more videos. Also turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified when I drop another video. Stay tuned. Bye.